Hi, third graders. Today's response to reading goes along with the story, A Mother's Journey. And as a class, you probably came up with a list of things that happened in this story from the beginning to the end. And so your assignment for today, you're going to get a paper similar to this one. Your teacher will give it to you. And you're going to draw a picture summary. So you'll start with the first box and draw the important thing that happens at the beginning. And from there, what's the next thing that's important that you would need to include? Put it in the second box. Then draw something in the third box, the fourth box. Come down here to the fifth, sixth, seventh, and then the very end. What's the important thing that happens at the end of the story? Make sure you put the pictures in order from beginning to end. When you're finished with this, you're going to get out your reader's notebook and you're going to write one sentence, at least one sentence, you can write more, that would go with each picture from beginning to end. So you'll do a picture summary and then you'll write a summary to go along with the pictures. When you're finished with this, make sure that you turn it in where your teacher needs it.